praying, I want to say something. First of all, good morning, our respected fathers, sisters, and our lovely teachers. I want to say thank you for your guidance, and even to God that we could reach this important day. And on besides that, I want to say sorry, and even on behalf of my fellow students, for not being so obedient to you, but still thank you for guiding us. And on the other hand, I'm very disappointed at myself because today I have a slight problem with my vocal cords, but still, I'm going to sing. And actually, I want to give my best to you guys in this important day, but I'm sorry for not being able to. I'm afraid that I could not. And but the most important thing is that please always remember that our lovely teacher. Please always remember that you guys are our inspiration, motivation, and our sweetest song in our lonely nights. Please always remember that. And please keep on guiding us with an understanding mind and a loving heart. Okay. We're going to sing, me and my best friend. We're going to sing When I Look at You, and this song is dedicated to our lovely teachers.